Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can forward more than 30 images or videos on WhatsApp, as WhatsApp does not allow you to do so. So let's begin the video. First of all, I'm going to open WhatsApp, and here I have a chat. So you can see the total pictures that I have in this chat is around 111, and I want to forward these pictures to any other WhatsApp contact. But if I long press on the images, you can see I do not have the option to forward all these images. Instead, I have the delete all option. This is because WhatsApp does not allow us to send more than 30 images or photos at the same time. However, there is a little trick that you can use. So for that, all you need to do is to open the photos that you want to send. Click on these three dots on the top, click on select, and just click on select all. So you can see all of the 111 photos or videos are selected. After that, on the bottom left you have this share button. Click on the share button and you can see 111 documents. So from here you need to go where it says forward 111 messages. So basically this option will allow us to forward these messages to another WhatsApp chat. I'm going to click on forward 111 messages. From here you're going to select any contact to which you want to forward the messages. In this case I'm just going to select this particular contact, and after that click on forward, and that's all. So now you can see that 111 images or videos are being sent to the second WhatsApp chat. So yeah guys, in this way you can forward more than 30 images or videos from one chat to another on WhatsApp. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.